puddings, mystical friends, humans, whatever you'd like to be called. Welcome back to Under the Willow Tree. I'm Elizabeth, and today we are going to be making Cherry Fudge Popsicles. They're easy and they're the perfect end of the summer treat. And today this video is sponsored by Hudsonville Ice Cream. It is a Midwestern creamery company where you can find them exclusively at the Meijer. If you go there, I don't know, it's fun, it's delicious, this ice cream's rich, creamy, and you're just getting a bunch of cherry, chocolate, and it's just a beautiful combination. And dare I say it's better than peanut butter and chocolate? Possibly. So anyways, if you want to know how to make this, please keep watching. In a food processor, you're just going to add in the Hudsonville ice cream, some non-dairy milk of your choice, and then you're just going to blend that. And once it's blended, you're going to pour half of the mixture into a cup or a bowl and then set that aside. Then taking the remaining liquid, you're just going to add in some cocoa powder, and then again you are going to blend that. Then getting out your popsicle molds, you're just going to pour half of the chocolate liquid into them as well as some of the cherry liquid, and then you're going to alternate doing that. And then once that's done, this part's optional, but you can take a toothpick or any other small device and then just swirl it. And then you're going to freeze it on an even surface for about 3 to 5 hours. Once they're done freezing, you can take them out of the popsicle molds and then set them on a tray. Or you can just eat them right away. Otherwise, this next part is optional. You can melt chocolate and then taking a fork, just drizzle it across them, kind of like in a zigzag pattern. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video under the Willow Tree with me. And tell me in the comments what you're going to be doing for your little end of summer. If you're going to make any fun trees, go on any last minute vacays, let me know in the comments below.